In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a named range in Google Sheets. If you're tired of memorizing coordinates like A2 through G50, this simple move will make your formulas clearer, faster to build, and so much easier to understand later. Start by selecting the data you use most often. Click and drag to highlight exactly the cells you want included. Maybe it's a column of prices, a list of dates, or an entire table of monthly totals. Be precise here. Include any headers only if you plan to reference them, and avoid extra blank rows so the range stays clean. A well-chosen selection is the foundation of a reliable named range. With your cells highlighted, go to the Data menu at the top and choose Named Ranges. When you click it, a panel opens on the right side of your screen. This is where you'll define the name that represents your selection. You'll see the selected range already filled in, so you don't have to type coordinates yourself. Give your range a clear, meaningful name. You can't use spaces, so use an underscore or camel case instead. Keep it short but descriptive. Something like Sales Q1 or Total Expenses. Avoid names that look like cell addresses, and start with a letter to keep it valid. When you're happy with it, click Done. From now on, Google Sheets officially remembers that block of cells by the name you chose. Choose names that mirror how you and your team talk about the data, so anyone scanning a formula can grasp its intent immediately. If your dataset grows over time, select the portion you realistically expect to use, or plan to revisit the name and adjust the selection so your calculations stay accurate. Consistent conventions, like prefixing with depth years or year, make large workbooks easier to navigate and keep similar ranges grouped together in the panel. Now for the best part, using it in formulas. Instead of highlighting cells every time, just type the name. For example, SUM/Q1 is far easier to read than a long coordinate string, and autocomplete will even suggest your named range as you type. This makes building formulas quicker, reduces errors from misclicks, and turns your spreadsheet into something teammates can read at a glance. If a formula breaks, it's also easier to troubleshoot because the name tells you what data should be there. That's all there is to it. By turning your frequently used selections into named ranges, you save time today and even more time when you come back to the sheet next week. Work smarter, not harder. Follow for more Google Sheets tips.